Assignment 1 would actually contains definition of a system and its component. So on top of the report, you have to mention about your team member names and roll number of all the team members. And then you have to write a one page report around 800 words. Be very precise and concise. Define system and its component. Then you have to define its relationship between components, and then data structure which was being used like graphs or matrix or linked list that are required to be used. Then you need to represent how these data structure are being represented. You have to explain about that. And in addition to this, you also need to mention some references if you had read some system properties, attribute or parameters that could enhance the value of the report. You can also mention tools and technologies that can actually improve understanding of that report and that can improve quality of that report. But all of this need to be very precise and concise within one page of that PDF, and you have to follow the word limit of 800, and all the team members have to and be very alert with this report because this is going to be evaluation for the 10 marks. And do not copy paste from anywhere. If I found it copy pasted from anywhere on Turnitin, because it's very easy to find anything copy pasted from any place. So I can find from Turnitin that what was the plagiarism values, and you write by yourself. Whatever you write, the content was not that large, you have to write by yourself, try to edit it, improve it, try to explain it, read from somewhere, give references for that place. Then you have to think what you can do about the write up, but do not copy paste from anywhere. Be honest with your report and try to work hard to develop as good report as possible, as perfect as quality wise, with best formatting. Formatting depends on you, so be alert with your formatting. The format should look very good. Don't use colors, use only black color to write on the white page. So don't carried away with colors, and this is not good for the formal reports. So only white page, black ink, and you have to generate the PDF. That's it. Only thing that you can put creativity is in the write up, and have as best formatting as possible, and don't copy paste from anywhere. Just infer from anywhere on the internet. Whatever you infer, please try to report that as a reference, and think more innovative for defining the project, that is system, which is very important for the whole idea of this assignment. Be innovative for the definition of system and its components, then relationship between its components, data structure that you are going to use or that could be possible you can use like graph, matrix or linked list, or you can mention references, system properties, attribute, parameters, etc., technologies and tools that you want to use, and complete it within one page report.
5 to 6 company price and the data set, and through that we would be predicting the main company's price. And on the other side, we would already taking the main company data set and predicting same price of it, and then we would see what could be the difference or how accurate this could be.
So the stock market prediction is one of the good domain to work, and these companies could represent the entities, and these entities interact means companies interact with each other. Their stock market are dependent on each other. How
Yes,
these relationship are being formed. So this type of thing you can study.
yes, sir, we are doing this only.
And there's Another example like academic system. So academic system have multiple department and multiple professors are there, multiple different kind of students who had registered themselves for different programs. This type of systems are there. There's bureaucratic systems are also there. Food chain system that lion eats deer, deer eats grass. So this makes a ecological system. These type of systems are there. So the main purpose of this project and these systems are like you have a data, you collect the data set for a particular system. How well you define that system, how well you can write and explain about that system, how well you can form a component and discriminate multiple components among them, how well you actually formulate and write documents for those things. And the most important part behind this is that we are belonging to computer science domain. So we all want how well we can study those data set and how well we can study those data set and represent the result in terms of graphs so that anybody could understand the things, and how well you can represent those tables, graphs, something figures that you can produce. And then we can say that the results of data processing and the computation algorithm that we designed for graph based data structure, linked list, matrix. So all these things we have to think and apply, and then we have to generate some result. And this is all for the project, and we have to do all these things in this project, and all these components are being defined.